if you're experiencing a server timeout error in Valorant, specifically error code 2026, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Riot Games server status page to see if there are any ongoing outages or maintenance. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Valorant completely and restart it. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve temporary connectivity issues. Step 3. Restart your router. Unplug your router from the power source, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. This can help refresh your internet connection and resolve any network issues. Step 4. Update network drivers. Ensure that your network drivers are up to date. Go to your device manager, find your network adapter, and check for any available updates. Installing the latest drivers can improve connectivity. Step 5. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Check your firewall and antivirus settings to ensure that Valorant is not being blocked. You may need to add Valorant as an exception or temporarily disable your antivirus to see if it resolves the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the server timeout error in Valorant. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Riot Games support for further assistance.